Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, and we have a new tool for you today coming out in a couple of weeks. What we've all been waiting for. Every single one of you has been waiting for. And let's just ease in. The icon locking flex head ratchet bit set you already know and love is getting a big brother very soon. Stay tuned for more details in the coming weeks. Ooh, child, listen. Let's go. Let's pause it. I know you've probably seen this. So it has the bit set. It has some extensions. It has this, what is that, a screwdriver handle. It has the sockets. It has the meme tool mini ratchet. And it's about double the size. Let's go. Let's go. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. As soon as this comes out, we will send it your way.